Hello, welcome. This is the Math 8 homework solution for August 27th. So what we have here is number one, it is a vocabulary question. It asks, how is a dilation different from other transformations? So the answer would be, a dilation changes the shape of the object, bigger or smaller. The other transformations keep the object size the same. Alright, so let me grab some images that's going to help us. Okay. This and this would be a perfect example. This would be an example, right, of a dilation because the object size change. Let's look at this one. This is right exactly like what we said here. This is the other transformation because it keeps the object size the same. Good, right? So this is the picture. This is the picture to demonstrate this, the example of a dilation, because the object changes size, because the object size change. Why this is the example that shows that the other transformation keeps the object size the same. Next, they say which figure is not a dilation of the blue figure. Please explain. Alright, so we have several images. So I would say the second one is not a dilation. So the second one is not a dilation. That would be my answer. My explanation is because the length of one side of the triangle is longer than the other. You can enlarge or reduce the other triangles and still get the blue one. Let's see if that's true. Okay, you see I can enlarge it. Right? Perfect size. You see how these two should match? Good. I can reduce this a little bit. You see how this perfectly matches? Let me try to enlarge this one. Right? You see how the size doesn't make sense? It doesn't matter if I shrink or expand. This one, the second one, this extra length right here, I can highlight it here for you. This extra length right here. This extra length right here is the reason why, right here, this extra length there is the reason why I can't reduce this object or reduce it or enlarge it to get the blue one. This is why the second one is not a dilation of the blue figure. Next, so the series of figures here, it says tell whether the blue figure is a dilation of the red figure. So I say yes, it is a dilation because the objects are similar. They are the same shape and in the same direction, but different size. So watch me dilate, or let me reduce this blue one, and you see how it matches exactly with the red one, right? Perfectly. So I would say that this is a dilation. That would be my solution. Next one, let's see if it's right here. Good. Right? They say, yes, this is a dilation. The objects are similar. Because, okay, the objects are similar because they are the same shape and in the same direction but different size. So let's see it. I can enlarge this. Do you see how it matches identically? Right? Likewise, I can go back and reduce this one. Perfect size. Alright? That indicates that it is a dilation. Good. Let's do 9. It is not a dilation. The objects are not similar. They are flipped, which is a reflection of each other. So this is not a dilation. Let's see. I'm going to change this. Alright, reduce it, enlarge it. You see, no matter what I do, it's never going to be this object. It's never going to be blue. Enlarge, reduce. You see, there's no way. Okay? There's no way I can do to get the object. So it's not a dilation. 10. I would say this is a dilation Because the objects are similar, they are the same shape and in the same direction but different size. So here's the blue. I'm going to enlarge the blue real quick. Boom. Sorry, I'm going to enlarge the red. Do you see how the red is exactly the same size and shape as the blue, right? So that process, okay, it shows that they are the same shape and in the same direction. So I would say yes, that is a dilation. Next one, 11. I would also say this is also a dilation. The objects are similar. They are the same shape and in the same direction but different size. Let's see this. I'm going to enlarge the red. Boom. You see how these two are identical? Right? So I would say that yes, it is a dilation because the objects are similar. They are the same shape and in the same direction but different size. Next one, 12. I would say this is not a dilation. The reason why 12 is not a dilation is because they're not similar. I cannot enlarge or reduce the red object in a way to get the blue object. There's no way. Okay, these are just reflections of each other. Right? Good. There you go. Those are your homework solutions for the date of August 27th for Math 180. So for Math 8.